My name is Marissa Beach, and I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in the greater Seattle area. And I use Mountains to Sound because they're extremely thorough and their reports are very user-friendly. You're able to click on the various topics in the index, and it will skip straight to the middle of the page or wherever that section is. So it makes it extremely easy when it comes to negotiating contracts when we're representing buyers, for example. They're always on my list of inspection companies to refer my clients to. And it's extremely easy to connect with them via phone, via email, via text. And so coordinating and scheduling, they make it all the worthwhile.